Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making Bofrot or puff puff. Come with me. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's go. Guys, as I said earlier on, we are now with Sister Alaba. She's the same woman that last year we made a video how to make Ghanaian bread with her. So if I've not watched that video, check that video out. But today she has something special for us. Let's go, come with me. Ebusia for Yechiamo. Etu. What to say? So guys, today Sister Alaba is going to make us Bofrot, but I don't know which type she's going to make us. Into mami patrone Bofrot to type ben na obeye, and then nyama ben na obeyi so aye Bofrot na maye.
The patrone Bofrot no, you won't different be I na aye Bofrot.
Wow.
And so yeah dey no dey be dey ensuo wo mu a e dey so ma dey eche.
Wow, that is when you water Bofrot.
I dey see wo ama dey eche ansa na yato. And nyama dey Bofrot no, be unya usam.
Wow.
No when you want chile.
Wow.
When you were chile. When you flavor kakra.
Hey, flavor.
When you yeast. When you nutmeg.
Yeah.
When you make that's all person who are. So the internet magic machine we say bone. Say aneti.
Wow, guys. So these are the ingredients.
Nyama e di be Bofrot no.
Wow. Pacho na me hu okeka na me hu anwa. Ana wonche.
Bofrot na hu nyama nyina ni. And when you gina oma enne de be ye. Na de echi anopa. Na be yusu anwa no.
Aye de be.
Na de be che.
And go na Bofrot so de ma tese say ajiba bia. You know guys, this is a the Alaba no means oyo fantini. So fantini so da no chichewa da ha no. Papa continue watching because she's going to give us a lot of tricks. Just say wo Bofrot ma wo do to me sampa. Made the Bofrot and obey. Just keep on watching, guys.
So Bofrot na e be sha ase no.
Yeah.
Today di kan no. Me dey not make begu.
They said not make the Bofrot me ehia pa.
E man na ye hwam.
All right. So what she said that the nutmeg brings a lot of flavors to your Bofrot. It's a very necessary ingredient. Bofrot. We are all learning, guys. Yeah, you share papa.
Then unya kakra bia.
Yeah.
Aye, kakra. Unya flavor so. What's your flavor?
Wow. I just said flavor. This is flavor, but it's in powder form.
Powder form.
Yeah. This is a liquid.
Be a liquid. Now we know flavor no be your margarine flavor. We make flavor.
Oh. Wow.
Now the yeast. When na be manetu. When na be manetimi etu.
Okay.
So the channel betimi atu.
All right. So guys, we all know
enimu a entimi anya Bofrot. Ana aburo so betimi asem. Ntini yeast no enini. The yeast so egu.
So she's adding the yeast. So yeast is for the proving. Ebema Bofrot na etu.
Abaso. So the be yacha. The atoso so no. The be fire sichiri.
Wow. She's adding the sugar to the water.
So the bet me anane. Sana entimi nane. Where ya nchine.
Wow, so
ebe ma taste.
Okay, sauce for taste, guys. So you mix the water, salt and sugar together. So she's mixing the water, sugar and salt for it to dissolve together. That's all the gum.
Is it no? It will be a taste.
Yeah.
Obi o hope esi chire.
Yeah.
Obi on so mpe esi chire.
Wow.
Three nyina gina wa wo ya wa de no so.
So what our sister is saying that the amount of sugar in your Bofrot depends on how sweet you want your Bofrot. Enti ya num ya de no na chese si chire ne do so. Wa num nya o de no so. No what you si chire so. So amount of sugar always depends on you.
So you mix sugar in sugar no any enchino every.
All right.
The begu some
Bofrot now. Okay, so she's adding the water to the dry ingredients. Mix everything together. Wow. Guys, so look, she's really mixing everything together. And oh yeah. Wow. So guys, now it's almost, but then I also want to try. Wow, this is something new to me. Hey, where the monsieur I don't so you see an amount from I come na Bofrot come. Wow.
The one bonus I
wow. So guys, it's ready like this, so we are going to leave it overnight. So tomorrow morning na the yache. Na hona chop time. See you tomorrow. Guys, it's 6 a.m. in the morning, and this is how our Bofrot looks like. Our dough, it looks so good. Proof itself, we changed the bowl yesterday because that bowl was a little bit smaller, and so guys, we pour our oil. We are going to fry our Bofrot. Oil is okay, so now we start to fry. Bofrot so guys, it's the same thing the Nigerians call it for, and we Ghanaians call it Bofrot. And then in Netherlands we call it oliebole. So it's the same.
You need the machine. It's a manpower. It's a manpower.
That's the money you're doing.
Yes, and I made dressing. If I done it, then we can.
This recipe is a must to try. It's not yet even done, but look, the outside looks so crunchy. Wow! So the Bofrot to be decided. I can't wait to lay my hands on them. Maybe Papa Ene. Margarine, how long do I get someone to know? Because only me, so where the Ebusiapa, ne mammy say, never say, if fancy for the unknown say someone Juma there, that's what they do. Until the mammy Nana Aye, or chefing the mammy, I don't know so Aye. So she really knows what she's doing. Wow. Because me can't even say, you both put a bomb said the way I need just into the chair. Yeah. It means some Bofrot, you Bofrot. Our puff is ready. Bofrot or only boiling. So we are removing it. Look at how crunchy it looks. Wait, you know where we're baby, except on Angela KOD. Wow, this looks so yummy. Yeah. Wow. Let's see. Wow. Look at this. Yes, I never your more. Yes, one more crazy. You never need. But anything it's here because I my sauce, man. This is me anti sauce. My soy or oba. So oil oba. Auntie. I tell you, you're very weird. Yes, I can tell you. But sure. I like the fact that as soon as she puts it inside, the Bofrot pops up. It's really, really good. Super, super, super well made, guys. A bit too much, not a pop it up. Within some few seconds, then it pops up. Since you've had a Bofrot. Yeah, guys, we have not done yet, but Mano Yami made Camera mine the crown of any medi internal more. Just feel it. Really crunchy from the outside and soft from the inside. Wow! Look at this. It looks so good. Now, Bofrot ready. Sister, flavors, no. Guys, the flavors is awesome. Wow. Bofrot ready. So crunchy. Guys, this Bofrot looks so good and it's so dry. When you touch it, there's no oil in your hand. Look, it's really, really good. So she said whenever you are making the Bofrot, that's what she was beating it in. When you beat it in, it proves so well that after frying, there's no oil. I want back cook anyway, so it's really, really good. Guys, our second batch is ready, so we will go ahead and remove it. Guys, this is our last batch, and as you can see, the oil is still, the value of the oil is still the same. This Bofrot recipe is a must to try, guys. Sometimes when you fry Bofrot, they absorb a lot of oil. And Toogbei, the oil now the many but this one everybody can testify. 2 liters of oil is the same amount of oil in this pan. So this one Bofrot is so healthy. Wow, guys. Our Bofrot, only boiling or puff is ready. So say manu mugira cry ma. Ediani hu eni ken ediani akono. This is the best Bofrot I've ever tasted and also seen making. Thank you so much for coming with me. Mami, nyami shra so se umre. Now thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy Bofrot, puff or olive oil. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. I wish you for more. Bye bye.
Bye bye.